This morning we're going to the local bar and grill for breakfast. They have an indoor seating area and an outdoor seating area. We're choosing to sit outdoors because the weather is so nice today. So we got a vegetable omelet with bacon and some corned beef hash, of course coffee and orange juice, French toast, English muffin, and I got breakfast with sunny side up eggs and bacon and sausage. So they have slides that go from deck 17 to deck 8. This one is called the Rush. We're going to be going on it next. So this is the start of the slide, the Rush. There's 2 of them, and you can race each other going down. There's a white one and a blue one. Here's the Rush slides that go from deck 17 down to deck 8. There's a blue one and a white one, and you can race versus each other. So Tammy's going to be coming down the blue one pretty soon. So here at the stadium, they have several different games you can play. For example, they have ping pong with a giant circle around it. They've got foosball, ping pong, pickleball, and Tammy and I are going to be playing some shuffleboard. So they got these shuffleboard tables where you can play table shuffleboard. Tammy and I call this weird soccer. This is where you kick the ball at each other. Your chair is actually the goal. So the underneath of the chair that you sit in is the goal, and it's got a glass top. So at the Bullseye, you can rent a little studio to play darts in, and they have various dart games with a computer board. So Tammy and I rented a little spot right here where we're playing some darts. So you use this screen to choose your games, and then it keeps track of your games on the big screen behind. The display screen doesn't come out that well, but it's pretty cool. It plays little animations about how you did, keeps track of your score. It's actually pretty well done, pretty cool. So we're going to be playing some mini golf this afternoon. They have various holes with themes about them. For example, here's a Las Vegas sort of like Plinko themed hole. Here's a Hollywood themed hole right here. You've got a music themed one, pinball. So we're just gonna grab a couple things from the buffet. This is their Surfside buffet, and they got taco day. So they got some tacos and burritos. They also got Asian food to choose from. Of course, they got salads. So we're just gonna grab a couple things from here, and that's gonna serve as our kind of short little quick lunch today. We got a salad bar. We got some good thick crust pizza and some breads. For fruit and cold cuts, they have fruit. They got some cold cuts and some fresh salads to have. Here at the noodle bar, they'll make up some fresh noodle dishes for you. There's the beverage station with coffee and juices. At the Surfside bar, they also will offer you beers and various drinks and wines. And at the dessert station, they got some various cakes. Norwegian rewards their repeat cruisers with some special events. For example, here, they're hosting a Wines Around the World gathering where you're going to be able to sample wines from all over. Like they got the wines from USA, from France. So they got some wines from Italy, Argentina, and Chile. Very nice.
We are welcoming you here to our World of Wines. We we are preparedly and heartfully prepared for you. So today we will be traveling without your passport. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, enjoy and let the journey begin. Thank you.
So the first wine we're trying is from France. They also give you some breadsticks at the table to cleanse your palate between wines. Looks like Tammy enjoyed it.
I'm gonna get the white.
White. Yes. Italy.
I'm gonna get the Pinot from France.
From France. It's a light
Thank you.
wine, sir.
So the Wave Waterslide is the water slide here on board the boat, and we're going to be going on it this afternoon.
But nobody could find you because you're online, but it's okay. Okay.
So they also have the Aquapark, which is like a spray park where the little kids can play and run around. So tonight we're going to be eating at Hudson's. And Hudson's is one of the main dining rooms here on board on the Norwegian Prima. It's a beautiful dining room. You can see the wine case right here as you walk in, beautiful tables and the chandeliers. And the entire restaurant overlooks the ocean. And we got an oceanfront table right over here. You can see my beautiful Tammy sitting there. And here we are. So they bring you a basket of delicious bread, and we're also having some wine as we overlook the ocean here, sailing on the Norwegian Prima. So Tammy got the clam chowder,
Yes, I did.
and I got the short ribs. Tammy got the California roll, and I got the beet and watermelon salad. So we're eating at Hudson's here, and we got this beautiful view of the ocean, and we just saw a shark swimming by. He's off in the distance now, but it was pretty cool. You saw the fin and the tail fin. So it was awesome. I got the fisherman's platter, and Tammy got the short rib.
It looks great.
I got some steamed vegetables, and we also got some mushrooms. Tammy's got the chocolate lava cake, and I got the bread pudding. The Norwegian Prima has a bunch of shops on board. Here's the Pandora shop where you can get Pandora bracelets, jewelry, and trinkets. They also have bags and shirts and clothing. And the Pandora shop is also where you can get your Norwegian cruise gear. They have bags, cup holders, keychains, and different items related to the Norwegian cruise line. At the shop they call the Zone, you can get various jewelry, you can get watches and bags. Sunglasses you can get as well. Polaroid, Ray-Ban, and even Oakley. They offer various cords and adapters and plugs and watches. And here's even some headphones you can buy as well. And the photo gallery is where you can get your photos taken. You can view photos from your cruise. You can buy camera equipment, binoculars, and various items relating. There's no better place to get your pictures taken than on a cruise line. overlooking the atrium, they have the whiskey bar. So Tammy and I are going to check it out, and we're going to try some drinks at the whiskey bar overlooking the atrium. The whiskey bar menu is pretty interesting. As you go through it, they have all the different whiskeys that they have to offer, but then they also have the story of whiskey in America. So as you're going through, they tell you the story of whiskey, the different ages of whiskey, the different countries that have produced whiskey. It even goes into how they barrel age it, and prohibition. I mean, this just goes on and on and on about the different types of whiskeys. So if you're into whiskey, man, is this the bar for you? So we're gonna try some drinks from the whiskey bar here, and I think they're gonna be awesome. So this is the whiskey bar, and he's mixing up our great whiskey drinks. So we got a couple of drinks here at the whiskey bar. Here's the Sunny Monk with whiskey, vermouth, and peach schnapps. And then here's the Woodford Old Fashioned with bourbon, maple syrup, bitters, and sweet vermouth. There's our nighttime snack. We're going to Indulge Food Hall. Indulge Food Hall has a bunch of different food counters to order from. And it's like food from around the world. They have a digital ordering screen that you can order from. So we are ordering from there and having some snacks at night here. We got the garlic naan bread. We also got some vegetable tempura. We also got some chips with guacamole and some Brazilian Canyon beef with some sides. We got braised beef raviolis, and Tammy also got a tequila sunshine because you can get drinks from the same digital menu that you order your food from. So our room steward made us another towel animal, and we think that this is the child from the Mandalorian series. He's going to use the Force soon. So one of the perks of being a loyal Norwegian Cruise Line passenger is they will do your laundry for you. So Tam and I put in our laundry. We got almost $100 worth of laundry that was delivered in this basket, all cleaned and folded and ready to pack, so we don't have to do it when we get home. This is awesome. Fantastic little perk that we got here. Free laundry from being a loyal Norwegian Cruise Line passenger. They brought the laundry back to the room, and they definitely brought back underwear that doesn't belong to us. And it does not belong to the sea cow either. And as we got into bed, unfortunately, the child doesn't look quite as good as he used to. He looks a little different now.